Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name is Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So we've got a new motorhome in stock here at Grantham in our used range, in that of the AutoTrail Dakota Frontier 2014, a fantastically well-spec'd motorhome with an automatic gearbox and very, very low mileage, just a touch over 9,000 miles on the clock, with a fixed French bed, and it's a 4-berth with 2 travelling seat belts. So here is a good look at that particular motorhome to give you a real good feel. So it's got the fantastic AutoTrail finish with the overhead cab space and the panoramic sunroof that you see at the front, at the top end there. As we come down the side of the motorhome, you've got some wonderful tucked away cubby spaces here. So space on this side and further storage. You've got on this side here, you've got an exterior shower point, and also your load up for your water located there. Your toilet cassette towards the back, and some drain down areas on the side of this particular motorhome. The motorhome has already got a bike rack fixed to the back, so you can carry 2 bikes on the back of this particular motorhome, and also it has a tow bar fitted as well, so a nice little perk there should you consider towing a small vehicle behind it. This storage space and storage gap here is for underneath the French bed, so should you have your awning, which you see located up there, wound out, you can easily store things away in the side there. You've got an exterior barbecue point located on the side of the camper on this motorhome as well, and your air vent for your Truma blown air, with your gas bottles located down the front. Electric push out step, which is controlled from a button inside. So let's get inside and have a little look. It's a very, very, very spacious motorhome this, so a wonderfully well finished front lounge area here, and you've got this freestanding table which swivels round so you can tuck it out of the way for travel, tucked away there. You swivel chairs at the front which can tuck around and swivel around as well. The panoramic sunroof located at the front that you see here, letting a huge amount of light into this front area of the motorhome, giving a fantastic feeling of space. One of the great benefits as well with this motorhome is an abundance of storage. So plenty of storage throughout all of these cupboards, a lot of depth in them, so you can certainly store all of your amenities away. Your main control centre above the habitation door here, so controlled by the Truma blown air heating system. As I said earlier, just by the habitation door, that's your button here for your electric step, and that's fully working and fully tested. This front section of the motorhome here that you will see converts into a double bed by sliding out these slats. So you convert that across into a double bed with your fixed French bed at the rear here, giving you that 4-berth. But I mentioned earlier, it is only 2 travelling seat belts. A generous sized tall fridge freezer in the centre of the motorhome with a well finished L shape on the kitchen area. You're benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with the pan storage located underneath. Easy usable height microwave just above the oven area, and also an Omnivent extractor fan is fitted in this model as well. Further storage here, and you can see plenty of depth as well for tuck away storage, and an ample amount of storage again located above the fixed French bed. You've got a television point located in the bedroom area to be able to fix a TV onto there should you wish. And a vanity unit on the side here with mirror, and again further storage with hanging space located above and storage drawers located underneath. So stepping through to a very generous sized shower area and bathroom area, so a very large individual shower cubicle that you can see here, so I can fit in there quite comfortably. I'm quite a large chap myself. And your illuminated washroom mirror here with sink and toilet and further storage tucked away throughout this really well spec'd motorhome. So that gives you a real good feel for this AutoTrail Dakota Frontier 2014. If you have any other queries or questions about this motorhome, please feel free to get in contact with our friendly sales team, and they would be more than happy to help you. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video. We'll look forward to hearing from you here at Grantham, and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.